Welcome to Jessica's View. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Series 8 Doorables. In this collection, we can get characters from Alice in Wonderland, Monsters Inc., Hercules, Disney Fairies, Wreck-It Ralph, Young Princesses, Big Hero 6, Lady and the Tramp, and there's even scented figurines. Hopefully we get one of those today. How exciting! Let's go ahead and start off with this one. So here we see little young Moana right here and Sully from Monsters Inc. So behind every door is a surprise in store. And in this pack we can get 2 or 3. Oh, and there's Lotso right there too. So this is a brand new Series 8. Hopefully we get 3 in here. Let's see. Oh, it looks like we have 2. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one and we'll see what we get. So it looks like we have young Moana. How cute! Her sparkly little eyes, her little costume. Aw, we have baby Moana. How cute. Okay, let's open our next one. It looks like we got Tweedledee or Tweedledum. Let me check. Okay, so this one is Tweedledum. I like his little hat. It's cute. His little tongue sticking out. So here is Tweedledum. Okay, so we're ready for our next pack. This one's kind of big. Hopefully there's 3 in here, and hopefully there's a scented one. Okay, we have 1, 2, and 3. We did get 3 today. Okay, let's start with this one. It looks like we got a character from Turning Red. This character is Miriam. Miriam for Turning Red. Okay, let's open our next one. Oh, how cute! We got Sully from Monsters Inc. This one is really nice. It's like very iridescent and shiny. How cute. Okay, let's open our last one. Hopefully this will be the scented one. It looks like we got a character from Alice in Wonderland. We got the King of Hearts. The King of Hearts. Okay, so these are the ones we got today. In the comments down below, let me know which one your favorite is. Mine is Sully from Monsters Inc. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. There will be more unboxings coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.